Hello, my name is Simon. Welcome to Kent High Performance Cars, where we are proud to offer this fabulous 1994 Ferrari 348 Spider, finished in Rosso Corsa with Crema leather and Bordeaux carpets. This is one of only 68 right-hand drive examples ever to be built. She has covered a mere 31,000 miles from new and benefits having a full recommissioning service with new cam belts, which has just recently been done. Supplied new by Glenvarigill in Edinburgh in March 1994, known to us since June 1997. The car comes complete with all its handbooks and toolkit. The wheels and tyres are in perfect condition and have just been fitted with a brand new set of Bridgestone tyres, which were done on the last service, which was in November 2021. Going inside the car, the Crema leather is still in excellent condition, as are the Bordeaux carpets and the rest of the trim. If there are any questions you have vis-a-vis the vehicle in any way, shape or form, please don't hesitate to give us a call. The telephone number here is 01622 759 599. Many thanks.